Good day to everyone. So my name is Jen again. I've been trading for more than 2 years, and so this is my first ever analysis on a proper video. So I'm just gonna take you through some of my pairs that I always look at every week. So, and I'm just going to give you some analysis on the next week market movements. So, just before we start that, let's have a look at the fundamentals, what we have for next week, and then we move on to the charts. Okay, so you can see on Monday, mostly a flat day. We don't have much of a high impact news, the red color ones, the high impact news. On Tuesday, so the CAD, BOC, Governor Malcolm speaking is there, and Fed Chair Powell speaking. So probably they are speaking at some sort of conference or somewhere. And then on Wednesday we have Audi CPI year on year. So they're expecting it to go up by 4 points. So if the result come pretty much same or above, we can expect like Audi to gain some strength. If it goes down, then definitely Audi can lose strength. So following which we have on Thursday CPI month on month for USD and CPI year on year for USD as well. So they're actually expecting it to go down, the month on month and the year on year as well. So let's see what happens. And core CPI month on month as well. So they are expecting it to go up. So there could be some mixed news. So as far as I see that, based on structure, dollar could gain some strength, but based on these results, we have to see on that day. So we don't know that data yet. Okay. And then on Friday, we have GDP month on month. And this GDP, last time the GDP was positive 0.5%. And this time they're expecting it to go down minus 0.3%. So that means 0.8% they are expecting it to go down. So if this is come true, and based on this result, the expectation, you can see GBP dropping hard. So this is a lot of possibility there. Okay, and on Friday we have preliminary UOM consumer sentiment. So this is a US news, so we can see what happens on that day. So they're expecting it to go up. So these are the news for the next week. So if you are trading Audi pairs, USD pairs, GBP pairs, you can watch out on these news and make some moves. So let's go see the DXY chart. Okay, now we are on the DXY chart weekly. So as far as I see that DXY weekly is shooting down, so it's on a massive downtrend. But then here market has paused. So you can see past 4 weeks has been ranging in the same zone. Okay, to be precise, it's last 5 weeks. They're ranging in the same zone. So what I see is that it will still take some more to correct. So as far as I see, they have broken the previous support, and then they have taken the liquidity above these lows and they went up. Now I see more chance to go up as well. So they have given this inverted hammer, and most likely the market go up to fill this inverted hammer at the low levels, from the low levels. So let's go see what happens on the lower time frame. So let's go to 4 hour. and then this is what I see on H4. So now for the NFP, market has dropped. So why would you, if you ask me why it dropped, it's most of the time market always factor in the prices before the news come in. So what I see on Thursday, market already pushed up to this level and they took out liquidity above certain highs, and then they're never able to break this high. So now it considered as, for me, it's there is this liquidity sitting above, needs to be taken out, and then still more upside to go as well for DXY. And during this time, DXY is ranging, will be ranging. So what I see is that DXY will be like range probably on Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday they expect it to go up, and then probably on Friday or next week, following week, can shoot down, and then overall I'm expecting next week to have this kind of moves. So if market is at the bottom during the time of CPI, it will definitely push this up towards upside. Okay, so let's see what happens. So this is my analysis. Okay, if you want to see on a lower time frame, this is what I see. So market still has a potential to shoot up, and I am waiting to ride this upside wave. Okay, and this is definitely coming, no doubt about that. So yep. So if you are trading the dollar pairs, you can certainly sync this analysis with your dollar pair, whatever dollar pair, and then take the call. Okay, so yeah, so I'll go to the next. GBPUSD has taken the liquidity below this order blocks, and it bounced back from this perfect order block right here, and then bounced up, and then went and broke the previous high. Okay, and still more high to go to break. So what I see the upcoming week, they'll probably go to like break these highs and then take the liquidity out and then bring the price down, and then from this level, maybe on the GDP side, so market could shoot up, or if the price is somewhere here during the GDP time or GDP time, market could drop down from this level. So ultimately I'll be looking for this sell and this buy as well. So most likely whatever market gives. So based on structure, for the Friday GDP news, if market is somewhere here on Friday, I'll be looking for my sells, and if market is somewhere down here, I'll be looking for my buys. So this is my analysis for GBPUSD for the next week. Okay, so let's have a look at the GBPJPY. What I see, GBPJPY is doing some massive correction, just like this one I'm expecting here. Okay, so it is correcting at this level, so I'm expecting some more correction here, and then to push up and then give more correction down here. Okay, and then it will take some time over here before it breaks a low, before it goes up. Okay, so ultimately what I see, market has reached this liquidity zone. They have taken out all the liquidity out there. So, and from this order block, they bounce back. Okay, so now they are correcting. What I see, they want some more correction to downside, and then push up to to this price 161, 162 level, and then drop for more correction. Okay, so something pretty similar to this one, and obviously there will be one more drop. I'm expecting this drop maybe in 1-2 months time. So the CAD, I'm expecting CAD to like give us this sort of movement. So now we have got a massive push down to break the previous lows. Okay, and we can expect a pullback next week and then push back down again to take the liquidity out, and then most likely market to shoot up during the CPI time. So this is what are my expectations. So let's see how market plays out. So based on USD strength, I'm expecting the USDCAD to move upward during next week. So this is my most probable move. So as far as I see, gold still has some more upside to go. I think like why, if you go down to like weekly chart, I can see still market on the order block zone, on the weekly order block zone, and still there's some more upside, like they could take out the liquidity from these areas. Okay, from these areas. So what I see is like, I'll show you, give me a second. So from these areas, market could, come into these areas, to this price, take the liquidity out before it goes down. Okay, the down move is coming, but at the moment for the next week, I'm expecting market to go up. So let's go down to lower time frame, like 4 hour, and then show you what I'm thinking. So this is what I see. Now market has given us the push up for the NFP, broke the high again. So I'm expecting it to correct some more, correct downward, and then before it push up to 1900 price above a little bit, and then drop before it drop. So these are my expectations. So I'm looking at market like this. So let's see what happens. And all these are probable moves, so we always have to have the risk management in control. So yeah, so all the best guys, all the best trading, and have a great trading week for the next week.